Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Sideboard cabinets have evolved into essential and stylish pieces of furniture, elevating both form and function in interior design. Modern design showcases a fusion of clean lines and diverse materials, ranging from luxurious woods to industrial metals. These cabinets serve as versatile storage solutions, seamlessly combining ample space with aesthetic appeal. Many contemporary design feature sleek handleless finishes for a minimalist look, while others embrace intricate detailing and artistic embellishments to make a bold statement. Multifunctionality is a key aspect, with integrated features like wine racks, pull-out trays, and built-in lighting becoming increasingly popular. Geometric shapes, asymmetric configuration, and the use of contrasting textures add a dynamic visual element to these pieces. Sideboards are no longer confined to dining rooms. They now find themselves in living rooms, bedrooms, and even home offices, providing a practical yet sophisticated touch to various spaces. These transcending signboard cabinet designs exemplify the marriage of practicality and aesthetic, engaging contemporary interior decor into essential and stylish piece of furniture, elevating both form and function in interior designs. Thanks for watching. Also subscribe and like Interior Design channel.